Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 13 and let me share with you how to check the IMEI numbers of this device. So let's start with the quicker way of checking the numbers, and then I'll show you how to do it kind of manually, the longer way. So let's open the dialer and enter the code *##06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we are provided with the IMEI numbers of this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way. We have to open the settings. So let's tap on this app and then scroll down in this left section. Here we have to tap on the About tablet and then scroll down in order to find status information. And as you can see right here, we've got the numbers, the IMEI numbers of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.